Let's go to the beach. Where are we going?
Nowhere. Just kidding.
Just kidding. Erewhon. Alright.
Hello guys. Fell? Your glasses?
Let's try the Erewhon smoothie.
A smoothie. Word. Hey.
Right.
That was beautiful.
Can I take it first?
Ooh, whoa, that looks so cool. How's it taste? I'm excited to try it, but like, I feel like once I try it, you know, it's like the mythical, like.
Should have removed one item.
That's good.
What item do you think I would remove?
Peanut butter? Banana?
Okay, just gonna chug this and then we're gonna go to the beach. Cheers.
Hey.
We made it. Come to the beach now. Just walking through. This is gonna be magical. Oh my god, look at it. You can see like the ocean and through a hole. We have arrived to Malibu beach. But both of our stomachs hurt because we ate and we drank an Erewhon smoothie.
Yeah.
And none of the LA influencers told us that you would actually need a bathroom after drinking the Erewhon
It kind of messes your stomach up. I don't know what they put in there. Maybe like
This
creatine.
angle has to be really bad. This is so aesthetic. Do you know how to shuffle?
Sorry?
Do you know how to shuffle?
No, I don't know how to shuffle.
Yeah, I thought so. Nice day at the beach.
Bro.
So we're basically just leaving right now, and we're gonna go to Chipotle.
It's gonna be some good ass Chipotle. I think this is like, you know the beach that makes you old? I saw a baby earlier that was like blonde, and then when we got back.
We're going to Staples to get 3 tier 1 Neatos.
Staples, Neatos. Staples, get Staples. How nice is that?
Yeah, so really hoping they actually have some, because one time we went to like 5 stores and
Yeah.
none of them had them.
We're like million stores.
All right, wish us luck. Going in.
Hello. Well,
Guess what we got.
Oh my god. After months of searching.
Staples had the one and only Dream Drop.
I got the nice ice baby. Baby nice.
Bro.
That
And look, it comes with a splash display stand.
What?
I bet yours doesn't.
No, mine.
Nice, cute.
To your homies. To your
The
homies.
pink one.
The pink one? You want the blue one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. Wait, now we gotta taste.
Now I'm gonna have
drop.
all blue ones.
Dude, I mean.
Okay. Here's my nice.
Oh, yo, that's awesome.
Here's my Dream Drop. It comes
Yo,
with this
that's
display.
dreamy.
Oh my god, it's like the egg.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so we just dropped $15.
It's my
on
knee
that.
dough.
Yeah, it takes all my dough.
It's like Minecraft.
First,
Oh, that
some
queso
queso.
though. Yo, this is crazy.
I've been dreaming for lately.
Mm.
Goodbye.
Bye.